Hello, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're here in Woodbridge, Virginia. We have a gnarly situation here going on with pet stain removal. There's a move out cleaning. The job is going to be very extensive. Probably going to be here for several hours. I do a walkthrough. Bedroom one, hallway. These are all pet stains. Bedroom two. See what we can do about these blue, red stains. Bedroom three. Landing. Stairs. Definitely has some pet stains on the stairs. Gnarly, right? Ridiculous. Now, it is recommended that carpets like this possibly be replaced. However, this is a client of mine who rents her home, highly trusts our capability. We did give her some options. She's opted to clean. Going down these stairs. Pet stain all over there. At least they did some vacuuming for us. one's pretty nice. Hi, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're here in Woodbridge. Just finished cleaning the house. We decided to call it the gnarly house. It was very gnarly. I mean, I don't know if you guys understand what this looked like before. And obviously, start from the beginning and you will see this is completely incredible. I mean, I've been in business for 10 years dealing with urine, pet stains, etc. This magnitude is by far one of the worst I've ever had. And it just came out really incredible. I'm just going to do my walkthrough. So that was bedroom one we just seen. Impeccable. I mean, you don't smell nothing. You don't see no stains. Bedroom two. Remember the blue, red, green stains look like Christmas lights in here? Nothing. This is all done with the power of probiotics. We did use Unleash. I will admit that. Unleash was something that we used. But primarily we cleaned and rinsed with probiotic. This is just amazing. Then we got the landing here. I don't know if you guys remember, there was a huge stain here. All gone. And remember too, this is the next day. Impeccable. Look at the stairs. Wow. Wow. Just does not get any better. Just does not get any better. And I have to repeat, this is the very next day. As you can see, no resoiling, no spots are coming up. This is just amazing. The gnarly house is no longer gnarly. You guys waiting for this? Remember the kitchen? Wow. Neighborhood carpet cleaners representing neighborhood in Woodbridge here. This is the kind of work we do. Attention to detail. I mean, it just does not get any finer than this. And it doesn't smell like anything in here. That's the most incredible thing. No toxins, no chemicals, nothing. Remember this landing? That was a huge problem. Perfect now, no issues. Everything's completely dry. Looks amazing. Perfecto. I know you guys are saying wow right now because I know you remember what this looked like. No more pet odor. No more pet stain. Incredible. Awesome sauce. I'm so satisfied with this. Well, thank you. This is Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners.